I'm just sitting here just playing some Forza Horizon 4, messing around with my favorite car, my BRZ, and hold on, I gotta turn the radio off, don't I? Not really for sure. Alright, just use my TV remote, 'cause I'm just sitting out here messing around. It's my birthday today, and we got an unboxing to do today, so throw down my Xbox controller. We're gonna grab our box, and we're just gonna use these clippers here, and we'll just open it up. I was drifting my BRZ, and I was drifting the Atomic DRZ BRZ too. Kids were out here drifting their Mini Zs. And we're just having a nice relaxing day today. Oh yeah, first Mini Z. Didn't know which one I got. I thought it was the white RX-7, but it's the Red Suns. Look at that box art. That's some nice, beautiful box art right there. Oh, that looks pretty cool. I like that. Let's get this out of the box. Oh, look at all the artwork in the back from the Initial-D. That's really cool. I like that. That's sick. Don't understand anything that's happening on here, but here's the box art. Oh, it takes 2 AA batteries, huh? That's a totally different chassis setup. Oh, that's pretty cool. Alright, it's got like a speed thing on the back. Kind of reminds me of the Proline Ambush with the variant speeds. Alright, let's open it up and get it out of the box real quick. Oh, we got one more. Yeah, the chassis is way different than a normal Mini Z. We'll take a look at both chassis too. Bam. We'll just set you right here, and we'll do this like this. Just raw and edit it, you know? Alright, so we got a cool little Mini Z, looks like catalog or a poster. Oh, this is really cool. I like getting stuff like this. Yeah, it's like a little ad. Here's my rear-wheel drive, front-wheel drive Mini Z. MAO2S. All-wheel drive sports. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna have to take a little deeper look at that. We'll also get our instruction manual. First Mini Z. Alright, this is the control. Holy cow, that controller. I really wasn't expecting that. I thought it was like normal size Kyosho Mini Z controller. Let's look at these two over here. Oh man. Yeah, that's a size difference right there. Yeah. It's a big time size difference right there. Alright, let's get the car out of the box. There's probably gonna be some zip ties on that. 2 screws it looks like. It's just kind of like taped on. Just gotta get these. Alright, I gotta get a Phillips head screwdriver. They're right there. So right back. Alright, I'm gonna grab 4 AA batteries. The controller. Let's go ahead and open up the controller bag real quick. So, get a tool where cones, it looks like. These cones look way bigger than the cones that come with the regular Mini Z. I mean, these are super large. Like extra large, so you don't run into stuff. Looks like you get a tiny little tire wrench. maybe. And you press. Okay, maybe this is a battery cover. Not really for sure. And you get some stickers. Initial-D Mazda RX-7. That's cool. Alright, now that we got the right size Phillips screwdriver, we'll go ahead and unscrew it. Go ahead and check out the differences. It's a bunch of tape in this. Taped all the way around it. Alright, let's get it out of the body. Alright, so yeah, this is some type of clip that was just holding it. That was the battery holder. So that's what that is. We'll go ahead and pop in the 2 AA batteries. Then I guess we'll use this. That just clips on like that. And then it'll hold the body on. You got a normal T-plate here. There's no suspension up top. That's how that looks. Chassis looks totally different. Let's take a look at a normal Kyosho Mini Z MA02. Size comparisons. The gear and the transmission is opposite. The motor looks to be the same size. It looks a little bigger, but it could be the same size. It does look a little bigger though. The front suspension is different. Now this front suspension, instead of it being in the center, it's here on the actual A-arms, or on the side of this spindle. Kind of like there was some mini Qs in some of the original Mini Zs. All right, let's take it for a run video. Let's clean off the track real quick, and then we'll drive it around in the run video.
When did you get such big cones?
It came with this Mini Z. Alright, that's Adrian's MA02 with drift tires. Here's the RX-7's paint job. It's got grip tires on it. It's the first of Mini Z. It's kind of like a dull paint job considering like how all the other Mini Zs are nice and shiny. This one has like more of like an anime look to it. It's still really scale. Little scale body. There's some sparkles in the paint job. Looks pretty good. Let's go ahead and we'll turn it on. Check out the proportion on this. Turn it on low.
That's a tiny controller.
And okay, there's the off and on switch right down there at the bottom. Yeah, you see how small the controller is?
Yeah.
Maybe we had it on the whole time. I don't know, let's see. Maybe there's a bind button we gotta do. Alright, let's take the body off. Let's figure this out together. No, there's no bind button there. And I don't have the batteries on there. This ain't centered either. The turning thing is way off. Turn the car on first. Okay, there we go. Alright, Adrian, hold up real quick. Let's check out this. Okay, there's no like proportion. And that's on high. Let's try low. Low doesn't work. Oh, there we go.
It takes a minute.
Yeah, it does. Let's check out the steering. It's probably gonna be just normal like motor steering, no proportional steering. Oh yeah. Well, for $50, this is a toy Mini Z. But you do get a nice auto scale. Want to turn your wheels slowly, buddy? No, slow. See that? That's the difference.
That
you want to hit your gas slowly,
that
buddy?
one stops.
And then go full throttle. Alright. Yes, we do have to get wide drift tires. I know that. You guys are going to say something about that. But hey, RC any way you can. Alright. Let's try and drive this car around. Let me put the body on real quick. And
that toy one is easy to put that body on.
yeah, it is. Oh man, there's no like, you can't.
It doesn't grip that good.
It's got grip tires on it right now, but you can't like just ease on the gas. It's more like just
Like
full
this.
throttle. Yeah, it's like full throttle and go.
Look at circling.
I can't even make that tight turn.
Oops.
My bad. We're gonna put some drift tires on it. Where we put drift tires on it. Let's try and drive it in high and see if we can. Oh yeah, that'll drift.
Try to turn that.
I don't like that sound. Good drift, buddy. Yeah, we're gonna put some drift tires. We'll steal the drift tires off Xavier's Mazda and put them on here real quick. Okay, I thought that was a tire tool, but it's not. This tool is to change the steering angle, you know, so you can get it aligned. It goes right here. I thought it was gonna be a tire tool, but we're just gonna have to pop the tires off and then squeeze them on the car. All right, got the drift tires on. These oval tires from Atomic, they just want to slide off. I had to loosen up the wheels. I thought I could take the wheels off. Man, it's hard to get the rims off, so now they're just really loose and they don't want to screw off. Well, let's try and drift this little car. Let's see what it does. We'll put it on low. Turn it on. You gotta wait for the battery. Let's put the body on real quick.
Hey, now y'all can see me.
Now what I'm gonna... Hold on 1 second, Adrian. Let me say something to the camera real quick. Alright, what I want to say about this little car. This is more something that I should have bought for Adrian. Not him a $200 Mini Z, but it's not really something that you want to race unless they come out with a racing class for this. It's not proportional steering at all. But that needs to be changed. It's not really. And I would say this is car for $50. You get a nice Mini Z body. This is more something that when you're just hanging out with your buddies and you don't want nobody to scratch up your, break your actual Mini Z, let them drive this car. You know, some kids come over and everybody's driving their Mini Zs or some little mini RCs, you know, out in the parking lot or something. This is a good toy. It's got a cool little stopwatch on there. I haven't used it or anything. Start, stop, clear. But let's try and...
Doesn't really do. There we go. Finally.
Let's see. I mean, let's put put it on high, and then that might give it a little bit more power. It's got to reconnect or something. Oh yeah, it's got a little bit of attitude now.
You're gonna knock all of a big phone. Yeah.
And I always spin out like this.
You hit the camera.